Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the fruit ripeness detection using your V11 algorithm. So we can upload any input image or video, or it works on the live detection part. So this project developed using Python programming language and machine learning model is used to train the model so that it can identify that particular ripeness and the fruit. It is showing like a strawberry and the ripeness is ripe. Let's upload any input video. It will show you like papaya ripe and unripe part. It will classify both the part with the accuracy. Now it is showing the ripe. This project interface developed using Django framework. So this is the complete video and it will identify frame by frame. So there is two mango and both are unripe. Now this one is mango and it's showing unripe. So this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.